I started writing in English. And then, Unguki, I don't know, there is a book, Decolonizing the Mind.
I haven't read it. Do we have some people who know it?
You're writing in English, right? Who are you writing for? He asked the question of who is and I'm not being political here, I'm just saying what I...
Absolutely.
Yeah, or how it resonated with me. You're an African writer. I say who is an African writer, right? If you're a writer, you take a writer like Mbhidlizi. He's a brilliant writer, right?
Brilliant.
He says, well, not him, but he questions the fact that is he an African writer? Is he writing for Africans? Or is he a black person narrating the black experience to white people? Or to
who is the audience?
Yeah. So that's one. Who are you writing for? And then he says, is it if a white person comes and writes, it's not, I'm just paraphrasing. If a white person comes and writes a poem in his course, that African literature also, like he questions it. But what I took out from there is that how I'm going to define myself as a writer, if I'm going to call myself an African writer, I'm going to write in my mother tongue. Well, not my mother tongue was Mama Musu. But yeah, so that's what pushed me towards now starting to experiment with vernac, right? And then I started trying to reading.